I will reveal to you guys a winning product that I came across on Amazon FBA that makes over $27,000 every single month. And I came across this product without doing any product research. Next time you guys shop on Amazon or shop anywhere, you should pay close attention to what you are buying because that product can actually end up to be your winning product. My twins are almost 1 year old, so I was shopping on Amazon.com trying to find something to help them protect their heads. They are bumping into walls, falling on things, bumping into their crib. So I thought, okay, I need to look for a product that can protect their heads. And this is when I came across a winning product. So the winning product looks like this. This is a baby head protector. There is a thick cushion. It looks like a hat. You can adjust it for the right size so it fits your baby. And there are straps to make sure that it stays on the baby's head. So this works really well for my kids, and instantly I thought, wow, what a great product idea. So the next thing I did was run numbers on Helium 10 on Amazon.com to check out their profits, check out the competition, check out different variations to see if I had a shot at selling something similar like this product. Because again, this makes over $27,000 every single month. Of course, I am going to look into it, so possibly I can get a piece of the pie. Now, if you guys are watching this YouTube video, do keep in mind that there are thousands of people watching the video. So I'm not telling you to go out there and source exactly this product, but what I am going to do is walk you guys through Amazon.com to show you how easy it is to find winning products that make a lot of money like this one without doing any product research. Now, before we dive in, my name is Tamara T. I have been selling on Amazon FBA for 5 years, and I also coach people how to become successful in their Amazon FBA businesses. If you find this video useful, then please subscribe to my channel and help me give this YouTube video a huge thumbs up. And finally, let's do some shopping on Amazon.com so you can land your winning product. Anyone can find a winning product to sell on Amazon FBA simply by shopping on Amazon. So I typed in the keywords up here, baby helmet, because this is the product that I needed for my twins. So if you have a product in mind that you are shopping for right now, you want to type in the keywords in the Amazon.com search bar. Without doing any fancy product research, I want to know how much money this product is generating on Amazon, because that will give me an idea how much money I can possibly make if I come in here and source a similar product. So before we get started, you guys need to download the Helium 10 Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome web store, type in Helium 10 and download the tool, or else you cannot follow along in this video. After you download this tool, we are going to go up here on the top right hand side, because this is where Helium 10 is installed, and click on X-Ray Amazon Product Research. This is where we get to see how much money every seller is making by selling the baby helmet. So before I decide on sourcing a product to sell on Amazon, I always want to check how much money can I possibly even make? Because if the numbers are not there, I don't want to source that product. So this is how we check. Sort the revenue right here from big to small, and we want to look at products that is in fact the type of baby helmet that I am looking to source. So this is a bike helmet. I'm just going to remove that because I don't want a bike helmet. I want a baby helmet that protects the head. And this is another bike helmet, so remove that, remove these guys. They all look like bike helmets, and we don't want bike helmets. We want the protective helmets, right? So we are going to click on the trash button and trash all these. So this will leave us, actually there's a few more. This is a safety helmet, so this one's okay. Another bike helmet, remove those. So you want to remove products that are not the product that you want to sell. Remove these guys as well. There's quite a bit in here. quite a bit of bike helmets, remove all those. Okay, so after I remove the bike helmets, it leaves me with the baby helmet for crawling, the head protector. And this is what I want to look at. So when I look at the revenue, there are a lot of sellers making over $10,000 a month in revenue, which is a good sign. If you look at products, and a lot of the products end up being in the low revenue range, like $5,000 in revenue or under $10,000 in revenue, you probably want to stay away from those products because this is only revenue, right? These are sales numbers. After you take into account the inventory costs and the Amazon FBA fee, we need to find the profits. So usually for successful Amazon sellers, their profit margins are roughly about 30 to 40%. So what you need to consider is if you take the revenue from here, let's pretend that I am this seller. This guy right here, this is the product, this is the product that I bought for $18.95 and they are making over $27,000 in revenue. So let's type that in here, 837. You guys are doing this for your own product as well. You multiply that by 30%. This seller is making over $8,000 in profit every month. By the way, if you guys are new to selling products on Amazon and you need help with finding winning products just like the one that I am showing you on today's video, then make sure you get my free training for Amazon in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one call with my team and they will walk you through the entire process on how you can find profitable products to sell on Amazon that will give you nice profit margins and that will pay you every single month. So when there are multiple sellers making thousands of dollars in profit, this tells me that, okay, if I come in here and I source a better version of the product, I have a real high chance of making a few $1,000s in profit per month myself. So that is one way to determine whether or not you have a chance at becoming profitable if you were to come in here and source this product. The next thing you want to look at is product differentiation and whether or not this product has variations. Now, since I am an advanced seller, I can and I know how to compete against competitors that have multiple variations. However, if you are a beginner seller, I highly recommend you to stay away from products that have a lot of variations because when you first start selling on Amazon, you want to be the only seller of one product. You don't want to compete with someone that has a lot of variations because you are selling just one variation. And obviously you're not coming in here to source 6 different variations. There's a lot of costs involved with that. So again, if you are a beginner, you want to come in here and look for a product that does not have a lot of variations. But for me, I'm experienced and I know how to sell this, even though the competitor have a lot of variations. So I want to go to ratings, click on ratings right here. And I want to look at what people are saying about this product because this will give me ideas on how to differentiate. So let's look at the 1 and 2 star reviews. Now, one big tip I have for you guys is to make sure you guys buy this product from a competitor, test it out yourself so you know whether or not these 1-star reviews from other customers are true. A lot of the times people just love to complain. That's one thing I learned in online business is that people will just complain about anything and everything and leave you a bad review, even though their comment may not be true. So again, you want to look at 1 and 2 star reviews, but also purchase the product from a competitor and test it out yourself before you differentiate your product, because that is the only way how we know if there is room for differentiation. We want to test the product out ourselves and we want to see what other people are saying so we can improve our version of the product. So I did miss one step here. I want you guys to look at the profitability calculator. I talk about this a lot in my previous YouTube videos, just like in my last YouTube video right here. I did a full product research tutorial and I stressed at looking at the profitability calculator using Helium 10 Chrome extension because this will tell you the profit margins for this product. And again, you want to source a product where the margin is over 30%. So with this seller, it's just slightly under 30%. I don't see this as a red flag, but they can bring up this profit margin simply by lowering the unit manufacturing costs, by negotiating with your supplier, or if they sell this product for a little higher on Amazon. Make sure you guys take advantage of my Helium 10 discount code for 20% off. You can use the code right here. So when you sign up for Helium 10, you get 20% off every single month. I will also link that in the YouTube description below. Just use this code to get 20% off. And finally, the moment we all been waiting for, you are wondering, that's great, Tamara, but how can I find winning product ideas from a product? So it's actually very simple. Like I said, there's no complicated product research in this video. One thing you guys can start looking at is, since this product is a winning product, you can scroll down and look at products that are frequently bought together. So what this means is that a customer bought this baby helmet, and they also bought these baby knee pads, and they also bought baby crawling anti-slip knee pads. So not only are they protecting their head, now they want to protect their baby's knees. This is good to know because this instantly gives me product ideas, and it tells me that, okay, well, obviously these other products are in demand. So it's really easy to check the profits for your baby knee pads as well. So if I click on this guy, for example, I believe it's from the same seller. Yes, it is. It's from Simply Kids Store. And I just want to look at my Helium 10 Chrome extension to see how much money are they making from the baby knee pads. I know that the helmet is making money, but is this product making money? So again, when you guys look at product ideas on Amazon, all you need to do is look at frequently bought together to get product ideas, click on the product, and then you end up looking at the profitability calculator to see if the other products make money as well. So it looks like it does. The baby knee pads make over $40,000 in revenue every single month. So let's just click on this guy. You guys will be following along, doing the same thing. And let's check out the profit for this product. And again, you want to look at reviews, you want to look at competitors to get ideas on how you can differentiate your product. So this product, wow, it has a very high profit margin of 40%. So if I take out my calculator, they were making about $40,000 in revenue, right? Multiply that by 40%. This seller is making over $16,000 a month in profit just by selling this baby knee pad. So there you go. There is a product idea for you, and that took only a few seconds. Another way how I like to get product ideas without any fancy product research is by visiting the competitor store. So click on Visit Simply Kids Store. Now we end up at their storefront, and I can see that they have different types of looks like they have helmets. Oh, okay. So they also sell bike helmets, right? We actually did not look into bike helmets, but there you go. There's another idea. And it looks like there's some for girls and boys. Do they sell boy helmets? Yes, they do. So for both genders. And they also sell the knee pads. So there's so many ways how you can get product ideas simply by going through the storefront. Oh, and look, baby socks with grippers. I actually have some baby socks with grippers for my babies as well. It works really well. So there you have it, you guys. Those are different ways how you can instantly get product ideas and find out how much money sellers are making before you go ahead and source the product from Alibaba. Because if your competitors are not making that much money, well, chances are you're not going to make that much money. Because if the top sellers are not making the money that we want, then chances of you trying to take a piece of the pie is very slim. One last thing before I let you guys go, another way to look for product ideas if you want to get fancy is to go to Helium 10 Magnet. So go to Tools and then go to Magnet. Again, make sure you guys sign up for a Helium 10 account and then get on the Platinum plan. Take advantage of my code to get 20% off so you can use all the features. Go to Magnet Keyword Research. And if you are not satisfied with what you see on the storefronts, you can also go in here and type in baby knee pads, get keywords. And this will pull up other keywords that are related to baby knee pads to give you product ideas. Now, for full transparency, there are a lot of steps involved when it comes to looking for your winning product. Make sure you guys get familiar with all the steps. And if you need help with finding winning products, you can always click on the free Amazon training link below in the YouTube description, enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the end. And at the end of the training, you can book a free one-on-one call with my team, and we will help you find that winning product. So getting back to Magnet, all you need to do is sort the search volume from big to small. Don't want to take up too much of your time because I talked about this in other tutorials on my channel. But basically, you can look at the keywords on the left-hand side, and this will give you product ideas. So it looks like there's knee pads for babies, baby knee pads, BB accessories. This looks like it's in Spanish. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you can keep scrolling until you find other product ideas, maybe products for baby crawling. Go to the first page and it gives you a bunch of product ideas. I hope this video has helped you guys today. If you guys have any comments, questions, please drop it in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next YouTube video.